Okay, be honest. How often do you find yourself scrolling through your phone first thing in the morning, only to realize you've wasted 30 minutes watching dog videos? Yeah, me too. Pause. But what if, instead of mindless scrolling, your morning routine was already planned, your emails were prioritized, and your tasks were sorted before you even got out of bed? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, welcome to the future, my friend. AI-powered habits are changing the game, and today, I'm going to show you how you can use AI to be more productive than 99% of people. And no, you don't need to be a tech genius. You just need the right AI tools, a solid plan, and, of course, a little motivation to actually use them. Let's dive in. Okay, let's talk about mornings. Some of the world's most successful people, Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, even Oprah, have structured morning routines that set them up for success. But here's the thing. They don't waste mental energy on tiny decisions. You know how Steve Jobs wore the same black turtleneck every day? That was to avoid decision fatigue. The idea that the more choices you make, the worse your decisions become over time. But let's be real. We're not all trying to be Silicon Valley fashion icons. Instead, let AI do the thinking for you. Neuroscientist and productivity expert Dr. Andrew Huberman says, your brain's decision-making power is strongest in the morning. If you waste it on small tasks like deciding what to eat or wear, you'll have less mental energy for important work. Here's how AI can fix this. Routinify AI. This app learns your habits and suggests the optimal morning routine based on your sleep, work schedule, and even the weather. Otter AI. Instead of scrolling social media, have AI summarize the most important news for you while you drink your coffee. Reclaim AI. It schedules your day automatically, so you never have to wonder what's next. So yeah, AI is basically your personal assistant, except it won't judge you for wearing pajamas all day. All right, let's move on to work. Because let's be honest, most of us are not as productive as we think we are. Did you know that the average worker is only truly productive for about 2 hours and 53 minutes a day? Yeah, that's out of an 8-hour workday. The rest? Meetings, emails, distractions, and pretending to look busy while actually watching YouTube videos. Pause. No judgment. Deep work author Cal Newport says, the key to productivity isn't working longer. It's removing distractions and focusing on deep work. AI can help with this by automating low-value tasks and optimizing schedules. Here's how AI can save your workday. Sunsama. It analyzes your tasks and prioritizes them intelligently, so you focus on what really matters. Motion AI. This tool schedules your meetings at the best time for productivity. No more random Zoom calls ruining your flow. Notion AI and ChatGPT need to write reports, emails, or even scripts, like this one. AI can draft them in seconds. Before I started using AI, I wasted so much time on small tasks. Now, I just tell AI what I need, and boom, instant results. Honestly, working without AI now feels like trying to send an email using a typewriter. All right, last but not least, learning. The most successful people in the world read about 50 books a year. But let's be real. Who has time for that? Well, AI just made learning 10 times faster. Blinkist AI summarizes entire books in 15 minutes. Now you can absorb insights from Think and Grow Rich while making breakfast. Talk2Books AI. Ever wish you could just ask a book a question and get an instant answer? Yeah, AI can do that now. Elicit AI. Need research for a project? This tool finds the most relevant studies for you. No more endless Googling. Atomic Habits. Author James Clear says, consistency is key to success. AI can help by reminding you to learn daily, tracking your progress, and suggesting personalized learning paths. I use Blinkist AI every morning. In 15 minutes, I get the best parts of a book without spending hours reading. It's basically the life hack of the century. Here's the deal. AI isn't the future, it's the present. The people who start integrating AI into their daily habits right now are going to be ahead of 99% of the population. So, what's your excuse? Which AI habit are you going to try first? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. And hey, if this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the future of productivity.